You're new to affiliate marketing, or you're thinking of starting it, and you just don't know where to begin, you just don't know where to touch, where to go. There's so much information out there. Most beginners make the exact same mistakes, and that keeps them broke, keeps them frustrated, and eventually leads them to quit. Today I'm going to share 5 beginner mistakes you must avoid if you want to see your results faster and if you want to stay in the game for a long time. Hey, welcome back to Make Money with Rod. On this channel I share real strategies and tools that actually work for beginners, not just for the guys who already know what they're doing. If that sounds good, if that's something you're looking for, then hit subscribe and let's jump in. So mistake number 1, shiny object syndrome. So you buy a $5 course, you start doing the training, it points you to something else, you read an article, now you see another $7 course, so you buy that one, then tomorrow you see a $17 course and you buy that one, and eventually you don't actually get through any of them, you don't actually start, you don't actually do anything. Jumping from one course or tool to the next is the fastest way to waste time and money. So buy the course, start the training, but finish it. If it turns out that it was no good, then lesson learned. Don't buy from that vendor again, or research it next time. Before you buy a course, jump onto Google, jump onto ChatGPT, put in the course's name and the word review behind it. See what that throws out. See what other people are saying about it, if it's worth the money or not. Do a bit of research. Don't just buy the first shiny object you see, and don't just keep buying shiny objects all the time. You're not going to go anywhere, kind of thing. If you really don't know what to start with, if you really don't know which one system to stick with, I'll give you a suggestion at the end of this video, and you can join it for free, so I won't even make any money off you, kind of thing. So mistake number 2, no email list. I did this when I started affiliate marketing. Big mistake. So you get all excited, you join a program, you get your affiliate link, you got some followers on Facebook, you got some Instagram success already, or you start a new channel and you start getting views, and you send your leads and your followers straight to your affiliate link, because all you want now is the sales. You're losing out. Social media is great, followers are great, but the list is yours. The social media algorithms change. They can freeze your account, they can shut you down, they don't have to give you an explanation. You're on their platform, they're not on yours. But once people are on your email list, they're on your email list until they unsubscribe. You own it, it's your asset. You can market to them anytime you want, you can email them anytime you want with offers, you can share value, you can build your brand, you can build your reputation. If you haven't started your list, or you weren't thinking of starting a list, start one today, please. Your email list is the most important thing in affiliate marketing. Mistake number 3, sounding like a robot, that copy and paste. So every affiliate program you join will give, the good ones, will give you swipes, email swipes that you can use for marketing. Written, tested, proven to work, and I think the problem is you and 800 other affiliates are copying that email and sending it out. And if you're just starting out, your list is tiny. Odds are the 100 people that are on your list are on 4 other marketers' lists. And trust me, your emails can be the 4th one that gets to them, and they're going to see exactly the same subject line and exactly the same email they've seen 3 times before. They're going to unsubscribe. Take that email swipe. I'm not saying you have to write it yourself. I'm not saying you have to go do a copywriting course. I'm saying take that email swipe they give you, go to ChatGPT, paste the entire email swipe in there and say, please rewrite this in my own style. Hopefully by then you've kind of trained ChatGPT what your style is. If not, do that first, kind of thing. At least you're not looking like a robot. At least you're not just copying and pasting and regurgitating other people's stuff. Mistake number 4, ignoring the free tools, thinking that you have to pay for something for it to be quality. Not true, kind of thing. Not true at all. I started with a free LeadsLeap account. I'll put the link below for LeadsLeap, kind of thing. You're going to need an autoresponder. You're going to need somewhere to build your list. Aweber will give you a free trial. It doesn't last very long. LeadsLeap will give you a free membership, and you can stay free as long as you want. There are limitations. Once your list starts growing and things, you're going to, but monthly is I think $23 or $27 or something on LeadsLeap. It really is worth it. System.io will give you a free account up until 2,000 contacts, kind of thing. 2,000 people in your email If you're not making money with 2,000 people on your email list, you're doing something wrong. Then you need to do an email marketing course. Reach out to me. I'll recommend a few kind of thing. I'll put both those links below, System.io and LeadsLeap, and both of them you can start for free again. I'm not here to make money off you, kind of thing. I'm here to help. Mistake number 5, guys, do not join an affiliate marketing program on Monday and think you're going to pay your rent by Friday with it. It's not a get rich quick. You want to do that, take the last money you got, go to the roulette table, put it on red, and walk away, win or lose kind of thing. That's your best bet. This is not a get rich quick thing. You cannot, yes, you can get lucky and you can make a sale in a week, no problem kind of thing, but you got to treat it like a business, not a lottery ticket. If you treat it like a side hustle, if you treat it like a hobby, you're going to get paid like a hobby. If you treat it like a real business, you're going to get paid like a real business eventually. It takes time. Be patient. Because, yeah, to tell you the truth, when I started I started originally back in 2013, 2014 already, and I quit. And then I went back in 2016, 2017 or somewhere around there, and I quit. I came back in May 2022. I actually quit my job and came back. So now I couldn't quit. I didn't have an option. I didn't have a day job. I didn't have a 9 to 5. And this time I stuck because I knew I couldn't quit. There was no option anymore kind of thing. So I'm not saying quit your day job, please guys, seriously. But if you have the discipline to do the day job and treat the side hustle as a business, it'll get you far, I promise you. So if you're serious about avoiding these mistakes, sorry, can't talk today. All these mistakes I mentioned today come actually off a blog post that I wrote. Go check it out. Let me see if I can find that screen for you. It's this one here, Avoid Marketing for Beginners, 5 Mistakes. It's on rodneygraham.net, so if you are on makemoneywithrod.com, you just click there and you'll go to rodneygraham.net, and there are plenty of articles on here. It's all about affiliate marketing, email marketing. There's the last 6 or so, and if you go to articles and trends, there's like 10 pages with 8 to 10 articles on each page. So there's the latest ones, all the way down. Yeah, there's more than 10 pages. And it's all about affiliate marketing. It's email marketing, blogging, SEO, all that sort of stuff. There's also the Google site. I'll put that link also down below. You can grab your free copy of the 7-day affiliate jumpstart plan right here kind of thing. In here, the one I'm going to suggest below is this one here, Map. It's an all-in-one affiliate ecosystem. You can join for free. This is the training they cover, and the free training is actually worth a lot of money kind of thing. It's not free training, it's paid training that they're giving to you for free. So go check that out. Obviously upgrading makes me some money at no cost to you, and it also expands on your training. But this is really the most in-depth affiliate marketing training you can wish for, and you can start for free. So guys, that's all from me for now. If you like what you heard in this video and you want more, like the video, drop a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.